Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Chargetech 54,000 milliamp portable battery with 2 AC outlets. Now this is a big boy. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $300. Alright, so let's go through some of the features. Now this is a 54,000 milliamp portable battery that features pass-through charging technology. So what that means is, while you're charging up the battery pack, you can plug something in and charge that up as well. Now this has a 250 watt output. You get 2 USB ports, 2 international AC wall outlets, and a USB Type-C output. Alright, so let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. 54,000 milliamps. Got the tiger tooth. Here we go. Rah. Now, if this works as advertised, my beach game is about to be crazy. Beautiful presentation, nice black box, giggity. Here we go. Any day now. All right. Okay. Now this is pretty big. Giggity. Activate before using. Let's see what else you get. Now for $300, this is actually a nice presentation. Use your books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. Get a nice little carrying pouch. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells like velvet. B100%. Chargetech portable power outlet. All right, calm down, Zerts. Let's see what else we get in here. This is your plug. Let's open this up. Okay, this is your plug. I know. And this is the other half of the plug. That's pretty much it. All right, now ain't really too much to talk about with this. It's a portable battery, but the question is, how does it work? Let's find out. Right out of the gate, I would say this weighs about 5 pounds, maybe 5 to 6 pounds. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. Now check this out. Here's your 2 AC outlets. Now these are international. All right, but the USA version is going to work with that too. You got AC output switch on or off. There's your 2 USBs. On the other side, that's your DC in. That's how you're going to charge it up. And there's your USB Type-C output. On the other side, nothing. Let's see on the top. Got a power button and a battery percentage indicator. All right, so this one is at 63%. All right, so let me grab some stuff. Y'all know we're going to have to put this to the test. Now, if you read the reviews on Amazon, somebody said they had a 43-inch TV plugged in for 3 hours. That's crazy. So I'm taking this to the beach. If my blender works with this, like I said, my buns level is going up about 50%. But we'll start off with small stuff and then we'll work our way up to the big stuff. Let me grab a phone, a tablet, computer, and some other goodies. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so let's start off with some small stuff. First, we'll grab a couple of phones. So we got a USB Type-C, got an iPhone cable. Let's hit the power button. Let's grab an iPhone. That's charging up. And we'll grab a P20 Pro. That's charging up as well. Now let's try 2 other devices. We got a Zero Lemon portable power bank. Let's plug this in. See the lights? It's charging up. And let's try an iPad. All right, so we got an iPad. Let's plug this in. iPad is charging up also. Let's try some more stuff. All right, so next, let's try some headphones and a speaker. All right, so we got 2 more micro USB cables. Let's hit the power button. We got the Jbl headphones. Let's plug these in. These are charging up. You see that red light? And let's try a Jbl speaker. See the lights flashing? That's charging up also. All right, so let's get some bigger stuff now. All right, so next, let's take it over to the AC outlet and we'll try a laptop. All right, so I got the LG Gram. We're just going to plug this in. We'll switch it over to AC. Power it up. Look for that white light. The gram is charging up. Now, let's try something else just for fun. I got a set of clippers. Say you're in the park and one of your homeboys is there who happens to be a barber. Get a fresh haircut. Yo, this is kind of dope. All right, so let me pause the video. I'm going to take it upstairs. There's one thing I really want to try. Stand by. All right, so there's a couple of more things I want to try out. Now, say you're a photographer and you want to do a late night shoot and you want to bring your own studio lights. Let's see if this will power up 2 studio lights. So I got one on the table right here with the power button. Let's plug this in. Light popped up. Now, I'm going to unplug this other one. Notice it got a little bit darker. Here's the plug. Let's plug this in. Light pop back on. This is so dope. Now, 2 more things I want to try out, and I'm saving the best for last. All right, a couple of more things I want to show y'all, but before I do that, let me say this. Now, I was playing around with the Chargetech. I took it downstairs. I plugged in a PlayStation 4 and an Xbox One at the same time, and they both worked. I plugged in my Bose soundbar and the bass module. They both worked. I plugged in a 40-inch TV, and it powered right up. This thing is the truth. Now check this out. If you notice in the back, I got those 2 big Altec Lansing speakers. They're daisy chained together. So one is plugged into the other. Here's the main plug. So let's plug this in, and if this works, it's game over. Let's power up the unit. Okay. Here we go. Plug it in.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Game over for the summer. Now, there's one more thing I want to show you. This is the best one. All right, so there's one more thing I want to try out. One of my favorite products, my big garden RGB lights. Now, when I go to the beach, I like to set up a tent. Imagine how dope my beach party's gonna be in the middle of the night inside the tent with the full RGB lights. Hashtag RGB life. My buns level is going up about 50%. Let's try this out. Plug it in. Let's hit the power button. RGB lights on deck. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. Think about the possibilities. Now, it's kind of bright in here, so you can't get the full effect of the RGB lights, but it's crazy. When you go to the beach, you go camping, you go to the park, you got your blender, your laptop, your speakers, your camera, whatever you want, up to 250 watts. Anyway, this is the Chargetech 54,000 milliamp portable battery. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.